Take the integral of tangent of x dx. Rewrite tangent of x as sine of x over cosine of x . This is equal to the integral of sine of x over cosine of x dx. To integrate the expression, first, let's work with the integrand. We have the sine of x over the cosine of x. Now, we'll make a substitution. Let's set u equal to the cosine of x and do equal to minus the sine of x times dx. Next, let's apply this substitution to the integral. This gives us the integral of negative 1 over u with respect to u. Factor out constants. This is equal to the negative of the integral of 1 over u with respect to u. The integral of 1 over u is log of u. This equals minus log of u plus a constant. Substitute back u with the cosine of x. Answer : it's equal to the negative of the natural logarithm of the cosine of x plus a constant. The answer is equal to the negative natural log of the cosine of x all within parentheses plus a constant.